Day 1 in
Singapore. Hey, dini kami ngayon sa lobby ng aming hotel. Mga hotel. Kaya taga Patangas na kaya.
It's day 1 in
Singapore, baby!
Say hi, Daddy boy! Hi, Scarlett! And this is our hotel. This is Novotel on Stevens. Original plan is mag-Orchard Road lang, shopping, a little bit of shopping.
Game ng kaya toast.
Tikim ng Kaya Toast, yeah. And mag-food hall.
Yup.
Mall lang kami.
Tsaka mag-shopping kasi siya.
Yun talaga yung agenda ko.
Hey!
Baliw. So here we are at Orchard Road. Dito kami binaba nung shuttle. This is Liat ba? Liat or Liat?
Ay, grabe.
Liat
Ang ganda ng building na to, oh.
Where?
Behind you.
Alam, may nakuha ka bang maganda?
Ganda. Here.
Sino nagwagi?
Tayong dalawa. We got ourselves a matching Birkenstock for our anniversary. Food court ng Ayon. Daming options. Tara, mukbang tayo.
What are you having for lunch? I have some sushi, duck over rice, and then barbecue pork on some noodles. And wonton soup for the kids. Sarap.
Sarap. Bila ko na drink natin. Ano ba? Mami. Tulong mo ba? Mami. Yay!
Thanks for getting us drink.
Yeah. Pineapple Yakult and sugar cane with lemon. Okay? Oh, you want egg? Yes,
Thanks, babe.
Binibidyo mo ba ako? Nagwagi. Love you. Diyos ko, Lord.
Masaya ka na? Hindi na mainit ulo mo sa akin.
Pero lang naman tayo. Smile lang tayo.
bagong hobby natin. Mag-try ng McDo sa iba't ibang bansa. They said it's chili crab.